How to make a birthday cards in Microsoft Word. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily make birthday cards with the templates provided in Microsoft Word. Let's dive right in. Once you open up your Microsoft Word, you will come to a page like this. Now here, uh, it's in the home tab. You cannot see any birthday templates, so you need to go to more templates. And from here, you can see search for online templates, tap on it, and you can type in birthday, hit enter, and then it will search templates for you. As you can see, there are various templates that you can choose from. Just choose the one of your preference. You can scroll down, find the one of your choice. So just tap on it, tap on create, and now there you go. Your birthday template has opened up. Now you can add pages here, and then you can work around with this template. You can change the style if you want to. You can change the colors. So you can make the birthday card according to your choice. So that is how you make a birthday card in your Microsoft Word. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.